Okay, so brows. I've done a little bit of my brows already, but just to fill them in a little more and add a little more dimension to them, I'm going to take the Bomb Contour from Danessa Myricks in the shade Medium 3, and I'm just going to take it on the back of my angled brush, and I'm just going to lightly go towards the back of my brows just to add a little more depth into them. These bombs can be used for literally anything, and they are, I mean, the best things in the world. I think this is one of my favorite things that Danessa's ever come out with. I just think they're so beautiful and so multi-use, just like all of our products. So now once that's done, I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover in the shade NO3, and I'm going to just take the tiniest bit on the back of my hand. I mean, like, not really a full pump. Don't mind that swatch of Carrot Top, but yeah, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And then I'm going to take the Prism FX Hydrating Lotion. This is like one of the best products. If you don't have it, you need to get it. It is so stunning, so gorgeous. And I'm just going to mix the two of those in the back of my hand. And so once I have all of that mixed onto my face, or put onto my face, I'm going to find my foundation brush. So I'm going to just take a foundation brush and just kind of blend that all out. Alright, now once that is all blended out with a brush, I just like to take a little bit of a beauty blender. What am I talking about a little bit of? But I just like to take a beauty blender and blend that all out. I'm just going to conceal really quickly off camera and I'll be right back. So now that we are done with concealing, I am going to take the new Bomb Contour from Danessa Myricks. I've already used it in my eyebrows. This is a multi-use product just like all of her other products. But this is the newest to the Danessa family and I am just, it's a gorgeous formula. I've already used it and it is just so stunning. And usually I kind of struggle finding like bronzers that can, you know, bronze my face. Because I'm so pale, but this just does it amazingly and I love it so much. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to blend it out if I can find my brush. Okay, now that I have my brush. Okay, so I'm just going to take light 2, and I can use light 1 and medium 1. So I can use 3 shades, which is really crazy because they're just so easily buildable and blendable. So I'm just going to take an e.l.f. stipple brush and just move some around on my hand, and then I'm just going to take that and just kind of map out where I want my cheekbone to be, and just do the same for the other side. And then once that's all done, I'm going to take my beauty blender and just do you see how easy that was to blend out? Like literally like 2 seconds. So I'm going to take the Vision Flush in the shade Bread and Butter, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the Color Fix in the shade Romance and mix them together on the back of my hand to create my blush. And this just gives such a gorgeous little shimmer to my face. I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend it out. Alright, and then once we have the blush finished, I am going to take the Evolution powder in the shade number 2 and set my face. So I think I figured out what I want to do. I think I want to do a glossy lid. Now I just have to figure out what shades that I want to use for the glossy lid. I just put a little bit of a peachy nude on my eye, and I'm kind of regretting it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, kind of regretting it. So I don't know if I want to use the Duet Balm to create like the dewy eye look. I'm just gonna darken this up a little bit because I really am not a fan of the peachy vibe that we have going. So I'm gonna take Buff from the Vive Essentials palette and just kind of go over that, just because. And I like to just put a powder down, and here's my reasoning. Just because I want to map out where I want that product to go. So I like to put a powder down, and I also just feel like it just looks so much more, I don't know, together, I guess. I don't know. So I think I definitely want to do a glossy lid, but it's what color do I want to do, because I have so many colors to choose from, and I just don't know which one I want. And so a part of me wants to take, okay, so I'm gonna take the Duet Balm and pop it on my eyes. Okay, so once we have that down, this is a trust the process moment, guys, because now I think I've changed my idea yet again. I actually really like that. I just want to blend this out a little more. And I think I want to blend it out. My eyeballs are two different shapes, so it's a little hard for me to do eye looks sometimes. Boy, I'm going to take the Colorfix Foil Twinkle, and I think I want to create this kind of okay, I've decided I really like this look. So I'm going to take just a little bit more of the Duet Balm. You don't have to tell me I look awful, but I keep saying Duet Balm instead of the Balm Contour. And it's because I literally had it for like a week, and I was just so excited over the product, and they both have the word balm in them. Okay, so please just forgive my stupidity. To add a little bit of a dimension, I'm going to take, let's see, that's the, I don't want that one. I'm going to take a little bit of medium. I'm going to take a little bit of medium 3, which we used on our eyebrows, and I'm just going to take a little packer brush and take a little bit of that and just kind of and now we're back. So I'm trying to like not use all Duet Balm products, but I just love them so much. So I think I'm gonna line my lips with medium 3. I'm gonna take that on a like that, and then I'm just gonna take like a nude lipstick that I have. You can use the Vive one. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the clear glaze from the Colorfix Clear Glaze. I take that on the back of my finger and And there we have it, and that is the final look. I actually love what I've come up with. Hold on, let me fix this right here. All right. Okay, so now once my look is completely done, I'm gonna go change, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, and that is the final look for today. I hope you all enjoyed. All the products that I use will be listed down below. And yeah, I absolutely love Danessa and her brand and everything about it. I love her. And she's also given me such great advice and has really helped me and has been really the only one that has reached out and encouraged me to be, to continue to follow like my dreams. That sounds so it sounds so cringy, I think. But yeah, so I owe a lot to her, and I also want to thank her. A lot of these were gifted. So yeah, please go search on her website. I can't, you won't walk away not wanting something, if that makes sense. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Like always, my Instagram and my TikTok will be linked down below for more daily content. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye!